so you touch some woman. See what the teacher give my pikin from school. He say me my pikin put for school. And this teacher they call me every day by night. Say my pikin touch woman. My pikin do this. And he give my pikin bra. Hand of bra may wear for hand. Please, I show the whole world the case of Ike City. The case of Ike City. That is why I do this video today. This teacher, they worry my pikin, my son, my first son. They worry every day and night. You know, they let me get rest of mind. Every day, go call me. My pikin find trouble. My pikin curse. Now I shout for her yesterday. Say, come. Why you dey always disturb me? Not be only this pikin I get. I get pikin for Africa. I get pikin for Europe. I get 3 pikin for Europe. I mean 4 pikin for Europe. I get 1 for Africa. But why this senior one always you know they complain? Then now I find this thing and I said this bra not be for me. Then I asked my son, say, who have it? Then my son said, "My teacher give him." I said, "Okay, what did your teacher say? May you use this to do?" He said, "May you wear am for hand." That is why I do this live video. Now, so that they collect single mother children, they go they find fault from single mother to collect their children. That is why I do this live video. You people, you should bring my proof in case of Ike City. That is why I do this live video. How can a teacher give a son this kind of thing? Please, oh yeah, come drop favor for bed. Mona see my son. Oh, I have two kids like that. They know they complain for them for school. But these ones, so you see here, please, always they complain. And this one, Amale, your teacher give you this. He said you should use it to do what?
Mom, put it for my hand.
You wear it in your hand. For what? Is it a bango, bra of a woman? Because now this kind of thing they collect single woman children for Deutschland. They go talk say the pikin do this, he do that, he sleep with another pikin, or he touch another pikin. They find fraud. If they don't say the woman they live good life, you know they do prostitution, you know they thief, you know they talk lie, they will come from the pikin enter his body. You see what the teacher give my pikin? Me carry call house. Bra, hand of bra for woman. Teacher won't spoil my children for me. They'll find fraud for me. That is why I do this live video. Please, you people should keep this video. Share it. Share it for another mother to know. I'm in Germany. Because I'm receiving pay from this teacher from 3 years now. They start to worry me from this baby. I don't know what they see from this my child. Praise. I don't know what they find in her. They always disturb me, say, hey, do this for school. But today now I find out this. I find out this for a bag. And I asked him, say, where you foresee? He said that a teacher give her and a hand of bra of a woman. He said that a teacher give her to wear it for hand. Now they correct pikin and then tomorrow they will say now a mother. Or they will say that the mother as the friend boy now he made the pikin corrupt. Or they find way. One way or other to collect single mother children. This teacher they disturb me yesterday. Moto be one jammy when the teacher called me from school. He said my pikin beat some pikin. I don't know what the teacher want from my pikin. I don't know whether he want me to do another way or the pikin no grow. I make the form allegation. See what he give the pikin now. Make carry come her, may wear it for hand. So that they will see fault. They will say maybe he touch woman or he sleep with woman. Now he make it get hand of bra for hand. You see? That is why I do this live video. Anything I will do it in live video. Because last day I failed do live video for this matter also. When the teacher beat the pikin from school. I do live video, but I lock it back. But this one is hand of bra. That is why I do the video. May all mother way they Euro, may they be careful. Because these bad people, when you know what born children, they find other children to take. They play with cat, play with dog, they don't want born. But when they see single woman, when their husband don't run leave, they find front for that single woman to take away their children. Look at what the teacher give pikin. Small boy. May put for a bag. And the teacher don't call me yesterday. I saw the pikin beat. Now so they do anyhow for school. Now I shout for the teacher say, what did they happen? Why you they worry me every time like this? My pikin do this, he do that. Now only my pikin did that school. Then I asked the pikin, what did happen? He say, oh, he both beat her. Now he not come back. Now I say, oh, he both people that they find me when you don't grow trouble, talk less of Pikin. Or you both say when they see you for road, that they use bad eye, they look you because you are black, they hate you. Rather, the small Pikin. They lie for me always for my Pikin. I see what I find for a bag. And he said that a teacher give her. So a teacher, they find fault from my hand. Because you know, say me, I they live good life for Deutschland. I know they do prostitution. I know they do drug business. I know they do bad thing. I know they steal. I live a good life. So then they want from my charge and me. That is why this Pikin, he got away with the battle from a case. That is why I cry for you people to know. See what the teacher give her. Hand of bra. He say me wear for hand. Hand of bra, woman bra. I'm a woman. All women know this is hand of bra. How can a teacher give this to a son to wear for hand? Please, you people should share this video. Share it. Share it. Share it. Because it's been long. These people have been hurting me for this charge. I don't know what they see. Because Oyibo and Witch, I don't know what they see for this charge. Maybe this Pikin go be governor tomorrow. I don't know. Because maybe they know what they don't see. They don't see future say you want bride that they disturb her. Always, the only this my charge that they complain from school. They know they let her rest. He do this, he do that. That they disturb the Pikin. They know they let her focus. Set. This Pikin, know they do anything when they talk for school. You know they do it for us. So. Now only for school I dey hear say you do this, you do that. See what the teacher give you. That is why I do this live video. Because me not get Pikin when government they carry. Because if they touch my children, I go kill many people. I go because of my children kill, and I am ready to go to jail when I kill. See what the teacher give my Pikin. Last year this teacher don't worry me. He worried me for my son. He don't let me rest. I don't know what it because of born and witch. If they don't see your future, say you want bride, they'll like disturb you. I don't know what they see for the Pikin body because the Pikin are priest. If Papa are priest, if Papa is from royalty. I bring this Pikin from Africa. We suffer from Morocco before I give birth to other children. I don't know what they find in this Pikin. This Pikin is from royal family. It's not honorary Pikin. They should not play with my son. And the teacher, they give her a bra. That is why I do this live video for my viewers to see, my friends to see what is going on with me. I'll be suffering in Germany. They are killing me in silence. You grant, I don't know. People coming from nowhere because of this, my son. I don't know what they see from this Pikin. Whether they disturb me. Because sometimes this Pikin say if they do some kind funny thing, he go hold something, he go send a magic. Anything when he hold like this, if na water, if he hold am for hand like this, the water say even though you not open, I go the pour away. If he hold barrel like this, barrel will be like snake for his hand. He go say na magic, he go they laugh. Me say I go they look the Pikin. I say what kind of Pikin be this? I don't know whether na those things they don't see for the Pikin future. Say this Pikin, he get talent, he get many things, he get many gifts. That they like, make that they complain about the Pikin. Because this Pikin you see here, so if they do any magic, anything, if they do it, myself, I don't know where he get the gift. I don't know. Because of that, they don't find out, say this Pikin get future. They want brighter, they want lock the future. That they come in any way. Look at what teacher give to charge. Say me wear for hand. Then tomorrow night you go say you sleep with woman. Now so you touch another Pikin for school. Then they find fault from me. Please, you people should share this video. Let it reach to government, to Angela Michael, a woman that fight for other woman. Angela, the woman of in Deutschland. More than let this video reach her hand. Angela Michael, the woman where you know what make woman suffer for this country. Because those our governors, they don't know what they happen to us. These social people, they are paying them. These teachers, they are paying them, but they are fake people. But the main people that is taking care of us, they don't know what is going on. Please, you people should share this video. Share it. So that other women in Germany will be wise. They will be wise. Because since I come to Germany, they never allow me to get peace. Because of this, my son. See what teacher give to my son to wear. Thank God I have free network today to talk, to speak. See what teacher give to my son. Hey, this is a bango. He said na bango. Na bango he call and give my son. May wear it for hand. So that they will from front. Before they complain, say my Pikin they touch some woman. I said my Pikin, he never do that from house. One day. say he can't give her this one because he called me yesterday say my pikin dey misbehave, dey beat other children, that I chat for her. Then when the pikin dey comot from school now, he give her this one make he wear her for her. You see life? You see life? You see what we are passing through in Europe? It's not easy. It's not easy. You see, this is hand of bra. Hand of bra. You see, hand of bra is not a bangle. Thank you, everyone. Share this video. Share it. Share it. Share it. Because of my children, I'm not feeling fine. I'm not happy. They are giving me stress from this charge. Right from the one. Right from the day I come to Germany, only this my son, I don't know what they feel because they do funny thing. Sometimes you barrel like the barrel they turn to slave for your hand. Sometimes you go open, you go dance. Sometimes you go they play music. Me say if I go they look and say which kind Pikin I born so. Whether not those things they find from they always disturb her. They always complain about him every day. They know they let the poor Pikin rest. And the teacher want to do, I give her hand of bra. Give me the hand of the bra. Then I find out this hand of bra for his bag. Then I ask her, say, who give her? Then he tell me, say, I teacher. And yesterday, around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the teacher, no, around maybe like, no, never reach 4 o'clock, around that time, 2 o'clock. The teacher called me yesterday, say, my Pikin, they do anyhow for school. I said, what? I said, even when the teacher, they call me, motor one jam himself, I dey road. I dey road when the teacher they come. I say, what did my Pikin do you for school? You say he beat other children. I say, why are you disturbing me always? You cannot take care. You are a teacher. They pay you salary every month. Why you they worry me? Now so that they collect black people children. If you don't say the mother they live good life, mother now they do prostitution for Europe. You know the thief. You know they lie. You now come from the children enter a body. Now I shout for the teacher. The teacher said I should not scream for. I said I will shout for you. Then after I shout for the teacher, I got the order of election. I go tell those people for there, say, please, the teacher won't kill me, even motor won't jam me. Now the election people call, they beg me. Now I say, what happen? What did my Pikin do? Since I come this country, they know they let this Pikin rest. Now this Pikin problem they face every day. And see what I find again. Last year the teacher beat the Pikin. I hand over the case to the lawyer. Lawyer talk about it. Lawyer tell me say anytime me I call her, they forget about the matter. The lawyer say me I forget. Teacher beat her and not talk. Then later now see what this year again and they come with another thing. See? Now so they take single mother children. That is why men be careful. The way you make women to talk to single mother in Deutschland. After some people go come out there when they abuse the woman. Single mother because of money. That is why you left your husband. What of those men, those foolish men, illiterate, foolish men that leave their children with woman? Woman is taking care of children alone. They don't know. You see what I find? Tomorrow now, they will say, hey, now so my Pikin go sleep with woman. Now it made they take her from my hand, you see. That is why you need to be careful and search and ask questions for your child before you take action, before you beat him. If another one threaten me, by the time he complain for my Pikin, he say my Pikin they beat other children from school. Then another one is from Jew ground. Then they call her, what did they call that girl when they come from U ground that time? Now he have baby. What it be name? Oh, I forgot this girl name. Oh, now be waiting. No, they first give me one girl. The name is Maria. That one he worry me. They give me a Simonia. They give me another one, a Simonia. Make on the monitor me, I stop that one. Then another one again, they are boss, go. They are boss, go. That one they try to remember, they just newborn self in their house now. That one worry me, that one not succeed. Now, they see say me, I they live good life. I know they live bad life for Europe. I suffer for my money. I don't do any rubbish. You see? They can't give my Pikin bra me wear for her. Because before that they complain for me, say the Pikin they touch out not Pikin for. I said no, it's not my son. I will lie for your head. Then later now, I don't stand for that thing. I don't take action for that thing. They can't say, okay, me, I trust my Pikin because I train her well. They know say me I be a good mother. They know see they lock up for that matter. Then they come with this. They give my son this to wear for hand. Woman bra. I cannot forget is why I do this live video. In case I kill somebody. When una hear say I dey go prison, una know say na because my pikin I kill somebody. Me, I don't give a fuck. You see, that is why I'm showing you people to share this video for other people that live in Germany, yeah, that passed it through, that is a single mother like me. What Tisha? Now Tisha they do this one, so now somebody don't bribe Tisha, and now somebody from Ukraine, and I know the girl just give birth. Now he bribed her, so because it's when that girl start following me like he says he's my helper. Now I think start wrong with me. And I asked the girl, say, I think that you have something. The girl promised me, say no, nothing. He said I'm a good mother. Nobody will take my child from me. But the girl just lied. But what I'm saying is like now so that they collect children from Europe. Now this kind of thing. If the mother they careless, now this kind of thing. That is why I shout, make people so that people fight for me. So that people will not because I don't say black people they don't like themselves. That is why I'm doing this video. Not maybe I'm telling my story for you to pity me. I'm just telling you because I know black don't like themselves. Because now black they keep black. Tomorrow you will say, hey, this. That's what I'm telling you now. For you to fight for me. And if you don't fight for me, God will fight for me. And if you don't fight for me, in case of anything, ancestor will fight for me. And God will also fight you. You that are watching me now. That is why keep this secret in case city. See what teacher give my son. And this son is being abused for many years now. Since I came to Deutschland. That is why I do this live video. I'm not crazy. I'm not a live video stagger. I don't do live video. I don't talk too much. Even when I do live video, I dey lock am. If you not know, more of you me. Now only way bad thing won't happen, they talk. Like when coronavirus won't come out. I talk say many people won't die. But people don't believe me. I say many people won't die. I dream. Say people want to die. Many people want to die. Water won't kill people. But I never know say that coronavirus won't come out. But later coronavirus come out. The people see that video, they call me, they say, hey, I thought say people say it. Now only that thing they make me they come out for live video. Maybe I see something bad or I dream bad, I just come and talk. But because I'm not social media person, that is why you see say when I even come and say sickness won't come out and people won't die. That is why you see say people know my name not the rain today. People know they share the video because I not be stagger people. If the best way they go for social media, as I come at once say people won't die, oh, people won't die, and coronavirus go to kill people. People are supposed to celebrate me today. Many of my friends they know what they talk. If you don't say you know, right, and they see you. When I come out last year, before coronavirus come, I say people won't die, but I don't know what you want kill them. People ask me say why they won't die. Then I they tell they say Bona River just a pack people they go. If they flow people, everybody they die. Everybody they die. But later that will find out coronavirus. That is why me, I'm a spiritual person. When I see dream, I see anything and they talk. But this, before me come, say me, I can't talk about this today. I'm very hot for this. That is why I cry to the world to see. Did they hear me? You people should share this video. Share it because this teacher don't worry me. Since I come to this doctor, he even make me say the doctor I not fit speaker because of the stress of the teacher for my son. I don't know what they find in my son because the pikin they do magic things. Sometimes it just be like spiritual pikin, like him mama. Mona watch. And thank you as you watch. Thank you as you share. Thank you as you tell other mothers so that they're wise.